Learning exemplars and worksheets are being printed right now. The teachers are having their school-based training. Our supervisors and principals have had theirs in the last 2 months. And what's good about this is we are never alone in the preparations. Our LGUs are also helping out. Our private school partners truly concretizing the saying that it takes a village to raise a child. Ito ang esensya ng bayanihan. Nagtutulungan. This partnership has been proven during the pandemic and we continue to harness and capitalize on this partnership. This activity also is in support of the 5 priorities of DepEd NCR. These are, number 1, keeping school-age children in school. Number 2, improving foundational skills. Number 3, capacitating our teachers